going to go ahead and see if this funnel will work in this. If not, nope, the BG funnel don't work. So what do? Guess I'm gonna have to use the other funnel. So since the BG funnel don't work, I'll use my funnel here and we'll just dump it in that way. So we take the BG 44, open it, if I can. Holy cow, this thing's tough. They got it pressed on there. So you got to get something to actually open it. How to get this thing open. Hold on, maybe I can use a seatbelt extender. And I just use the seatbelt extender to pry it up. And you can open it up, and you can peel it back, and there we go. Then we got to try to dump this into this funnel, and it's not going to work real good. So I got a better idea. We'll go ahead and put this funnel on top of that, just like so. And then I can dump it in with the other funnel. So you need two funnels in order to dump this stuff in. But that's how I did it. Problems of mice and men, right? Anyway, this is how I did it, folks. Hope you have a good day.